Smartphone is a brilliant invention. They provide more advantage other than as a tool of communication. They show a great development in the last 4 years. Unfortunately, the smartphone only designed for the normal people, not for those with disabilities, especially for the blind. As most blind people use the sense of touch, they can use the phone with the keypad button as a communication tool, rather than a touchscreen smartphone. But with mass production of smartphone eras, they were forced to adjust their communication tool into smartphone. Of course, it will be a big problem for them. This is why we create an app for the blind to communicate using a smartphone, which we call BTouch. BTouch is Android-based communication media developed for the blind. The user can communicate with other people with same visually impaired or with normal people using the easy navigation, even without notice and without any additional tools. After the app was played, the blind should hold the smartphone like this. The phone is held by left hand and right hand with 3 fingers of the right hand on the button number 1, 2, and 3, and the 3 fingers of the left hand on the button number 4, 5, and 6. When the button touches, it will inform the name of the future app by sound.
Messages page.
To launch the app, they just have to touch and hold the button a little longer. BTouch has designed the button number so that the blind can use them as a virtual Braille keyboard. BTouch will convert Braille into letters of the alphabet and send them as a text message to normal people. It means this application acts as bridge for 2 different communication methods between normal and blind people. BTouch is equipped with text-to-speech and speech-to-text feature, using Google Text-to-Speech and Google Voice Typing as the engine. This means the app can read text that input for the blind and type their voices into a text. Using the Tesseract OCR, BTouch can also become an image reader. The blind just need to take a picture of a book or magazine, and the app will read it for them.
What is done in love is done well.
With this app, the blind should be able using other smartphone apps such as call, chat, messenger, contact management, notes, read books, clock and alarm, and geolocation. The founder of BTouch has developed the app into part of a greater program that is called BSmart. BSmart is a package app for the blind that consists of BTouch itself as a communication app, BTool as mean for daily app, and BSchool as learning and test course app. BTouch has already contested in various ICT competition events in the last 2 years and has received a couple achievements. There are 285 billion people with visual impaired, and 10,000 of them are in Indonesia. It means BTouch has the potential strategic of market. We realized that we could have problems selling the product directly to the blind, especially in our country. There are a lot of reasons behind it, ranging from the inability to progress to the distrust of the product. That's why we targeted our business model to a larger group who has more authority and responsibility for them, such as the social community of the blinds, education authorities, campus inclusion, school for the disability, and CSR of company. In the future, we hope that BTouch can be included as a package app of a smartphone company. BTouch, giving the eye to greet the world.